And what happened, what I noticed is when I created content that was specific to the product, so creating content about the Ring Video Doorbell, I think one of my earlier videos that went viral for me, which had 200 views, um, was like Ring Video Doorbell versus the Arlo Pro. What's the difference? And so once I realized this and I was able to replicate this across multiple YouTube channels, I realized that when I talked specifically about a product or service, I could catch people at what's called the bottom, closest to the money. And when people are closest to the money, they're ready to buy. They've got their credit card in hand. They just want to make sure that they're making the best decision for them and their families.